Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the piggy from Roblox. So here's my full pencil sketch, and this one should be going pretty quickly because it's very easy to draw. So right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So yeah, this one is very easy to draw. So we're just gonna start out with the overall head shape. So we're just gonna draw in one big circle. So you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you with this. Just find anything circular and you can just kind of trace it. Alright, so once we have this big circle, we're going to draw in the snout area. So we're going to draw another circle, but slightly lower. So it's going to be closer to the bottom. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to draw two little holes inside here. I'll just shade that in real quick. And then for his eyes, just kind of come out at an angle right here. Just draw in another circle. So I'm making the shape of this more like a little egg shape on its side right here. So same thing here. So just drawing a little egg shape, kind of tilting this way. Alright, and then on this eye, let's draw another egg shape inside, closer to the top. And let me shade around it. Looks kind of creepy. Alright, and then on this side, I'll just add a little highlight right there. Just a little circle, and I'll shade around that. And then lastly, for the little cheeks right here. Alright, so lots of little egg shapes, and then now for his ear, so just come out right here from the eye. You can make two little points like this first, and then we're gonna draw in almost like a little half circle, a little bit more. Okay, so just come out here, Make 2 little points. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body is really simple. Just come down here, you can make 2 little points, and then we're gonna come down for the little robe that she's wearing, or some kind of dress. Alright, and then for this, we're gonna connect this, but just kind of give it a little bit of a wavy line here. And then we can add in some details. Just right around here, just add a couple of lines like this to make it look like cloth. Alright, so now let's draw in her arm. So we're gonna start here on the shoulder, and then here's the armpit. Back to the shoulder here, just slant out. From the armpit, slant out again. And then for the hand, because she's gonna be holding the baseball bat here, let's come down here for the little thumb. Just come down, hook it back up, and then just kind of come across. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. So from this point here, we can draw the baseball bat. We'll go out, and then come back down here. Okay, just come out again, and then for the very tip, we'll just round it off. Okay, and then for the back here, we'll extend this line, and it's gonna go behind the body, so we won't see the end of the bat here. So again, we're gonna continue this right behind that hand. Let's go all the way across. Okay, and then for the other arm, here's the armpit. Shoulder. Again, we're drawing the same thing, but this time won't be holding a baseball bat. Come down. And then for a thumb right here, it's almost the same, just a little hook. And then come down here, that's gonna be the back of the hand. And let's draw a little curve going up. Okay, and then we're gonna add in a little bit more detail on the top here. We can add in a few of these lines again for the cloth. Alright, so that is it for this very easy to draw piggy from Roblox. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.